Hello, good morning. Thank you for inviting us to present here Rex Alico. My name is Carlos Callejero, and I am the director of SensoWave. During the next few years, as a result of expensive energy cost, aging of the population, and concerns about security, new needs will appear. On the other hand, technology has made available smartphones, social networks, and wireless sensors for most of the population. Some of these sensors are even connected to the internet. To the internet, what's creating Internet of Things. Our mission as a company is try to improve the quality of life of people, extending the time they can stay at home, having an independent life. For this, we have created Rex Alico with the main purpose of trying to help those that need it most. Elderly people living alone, people suffering in the first stages of Alzheimer, people who have had recently a stroke or a heart attack, and also people who suffer from any kind of seizures. I'm struggling with the... Well, Alico is based on the information that the smart sensors mounted on smartphones provide, like GPS or the accelerometer or gyroscope. And with this information, we are able to detect faults and fades. Furthermore, the system can be extended and customized by adding new sensors that can be implemented at the patient home, and also smart bracelets. With all this information and two applications, one installed in the mobile phone of the patient and another one installed in the mobile phone of his caregiver or family, they are always connected, and if something strange happened, the caregiver will receive a notification instantly. Okay. Of course, in order to work, the system must have an internet connection. We think that Alico may help a lot of people. We have detected just in Europe around 60 potential users, and we think that the market is quite big. We know how to address it. And there are not so many similar things to help these users. Furthermore, we cannot forget about the family and caregivers. Right now, they have quite a tough task, and normally, after a few years, they end up also having some health problems. This could be a really good tool for all of them. And we are all concerned about how important it is to detect a fall or a crisis or a heart attack very quickly in order to mitigate the effects. So we think that from this perspective is also an interesting product for health insurance companies and even for the national health system. Right now we've tested the technology in different fields. For instance, we've done several trials in hard-source environments, and we have applied this technology to detect faults and to locate what had happened in the industry. We have the smartphone validated also, and a small capability to manufacture few series of pilots. What we need is collaboration with specialists and foundations in order to be able to adapt our application for each type of DC, and also to address the market. I think it's very interesting for us to be in touch from the very beginning with the final user, because it's going to be also our customer or client. We still have to do some work with the Smart Bracelet integration. We think we'll have it ready in a couple of months. And of course, we need, as always happens, funding for the manufacturing of the pilots. Well, the team, I think the most important thing of our team is that we've been working together for the last 8 years and developing technology. And in those points where we were weaker, like in the business development, we've been supported by the Fundación Madrid +D. And for some other tasks, we have also the support and collaboration of a few people that is working with us part-time. I think that's all. If you have any questions, we can chat later on during the networking. Thank you very much.